in a new place.
How much did your mommy help you with? How much?
Definitely, if you convert it to Nigeria, it's 6 million naira. If you convert it then, because she was writing it down while she was giving me in naira. So I now told her, Mom, I just came to Germany. This is pressure. Because this man now that I'm with here, if I give him pressure, he will push me out. He's the only one working. I can't work, don't forget. I have to go to school. So she was like, she doesn't care. Blah, blah, blah. That's on what she will say.
Your own biological mom or your stepmother?
My own mom. I swear to God, my own mom.
Where got you from, Atoto?
Yes, my own mom. We're just three. I'm the first of the three. I have a girl after me, then a boy. It followed the girl. So at the end of the day, there was a day, it was just on my neck. She was shouting on the phone. I just went inside the bathroom. I took a sip of the water they used to wash toilet here. And then I felt unconscious. And my husband was there. So he was lost. The only thing he could do, he called ambulance. And then they took me to the hospital. The only thing my husband was saying that this marriage is over. That my mom also kill me. He doesn't want me to die in his hand. Please, I have to go back to Nigeria. He can't. This man here. Forgetting I have 3 children. After 3 children, somebody still married me. But my mom was still on my neck. She didn't have mercy on me. So my husband now said, Mom, we'll start paying you. But please give your daughter some time. Let her just settle down. And then where the immigration lawyer was filing for my stay so that I will not stay more than 90 days in Germany here. Since I came from Spain. He was paying that lawyer. So at the long, God just did something. The next year, I became pregnant. The next year, so the lawyer just said, just thank God, this pregnancy will just make everything very easy for you to have your paper. That was year 20. This year will make it 4 years. That was because it was 2020. I met him. I came here 2021. Then I got pregnant 2022. Yes, that same 2022 July, I had my first child. So it was through this first child I now got my paper, my residence and everything. Yeah. All this while, when you tell her she's not happy, she just, she will be saying, if not for me, you will not be there. If not for me, I'm the one that made you have that paper that you're having now. If not for me, nothing will happen. So even to this, my husband, she has gotten aggressive to him. Then the following year, my baby was 5-7 months. I traveled to Nigeria in February, the very first time. My husband will even tell my dad that there are some people who are in Europe 10 years, 15 years, they've not gone to Nigeria. But for your daughter to come, the next 2 years she's come to Nigeria is God. We just have to thank God. But my mom, she did. But being in Nigeria for the first time after 2 years, 4 days later, this woman started fighting me. I didn't have peace. It was like I didn't even go for holidays. Like I went there for war. You understand? I don't eat in the house. I go outside to buy food. While I went with the first child, this one here. So to cut the long story short, what pains me most, she uses sweary words on me. Like, it not go better for you. This Germany where you go, they go repatriate you, come out. That motor where your husband they drive now, una go get accident, una go die inside. They not go see your dead body. Sometimes she calls Ayelala name in the midst of all. I swear, man not go help you, woman not go help you. As firewood they burn, so your life go they burn, go back. Voice note. Even the second, and I went again the second time because I was going every year because of the other children I left there. I was going every year. That one was bottle. It was bottle she used. Then I was pregnant with the second one. I went to Nigeria. I didn't even know I was pregnant. It was Nigeria and I found out I was pregnant. Now bottle she take fight me. She was throwing bottle at me. The problem is, my dad is a polygamous man now. You understand? So she wants that everybody know, as my dad is not a polygamous, don't get close to him. Don't even talk to him. I said it can't work like that. I'm the first child. You can't use me against my own father. Do you understand? It has happened. We have to move on. Instead of you chasing your own away, secure your own like a mother hen. Drag your own.
What's wrong with your mother?
We are from Urobo. We are from Delta State. Urobo. But she grew up maybe partly in Benin and all those kind of things. So if I go to my dad's house, there's a problem. She even had to put a spy in the compound before she comes back. If she hears I go to my father's house that day, is hello. She will say, what did I go and do there? I went to go and gossip her with my father. I went to go and plan her. I want to kill her. I cannot kill her. I want to take her inheritance. I want to take her property. And those things. Will I come from Germany and come and take your wrapper? Do they tie double wrapper abroad? So many things. I can't even explain that song that if you even hear to the ear, it's abominable to the ear to even hear for you to tell a child. So when I tell one or two people, they will ask me, can you go and ask your dad if she's the one that gave birth to you? Are you sure she's the one that gave birth to you? Have you seen your picture when you were a baby, where she nursed you? Because it might be a secret between your dad and her, but they don't want to tell you. Because no mother in her right senses will lay curses on her child. Words like, as I'm here in Germany, her own marriage no get peace. My own marriage for her no go get peace. There are sometimes, as mother relationship, you just tell her some kind of things about your husband because it's not perfect. She will tell my husband, she will call him and say, see what your wife told me about you. Even like when I came, I didn't know how to make all this their semo, this their fufu they make here. So he's the one that makes it. So when he makes it, we eat together. She has called me that they told her that I should not be eating in one plate with him, that I should stop it, that is putting poison inside that fufu for me. I should stop eating with him. That if he goes to work before he come, I should hide and eat, then wash my plate and keep. So she noticed that I don't follow those things she tells me. And I said maybe that is where the problem is, because she's seen that she can't have control of me again. I can't live the life she wants me to live anymore. So that is why she's always bashing me, always controlling. Sometimes she say, this relationship, there's no trust between me and her again. No trust between mother and daughter. That I should go and look for my mother. She's not my mother. This same man here, I met her, she advised me that I should leave. I've not seen people in Germany that they're not married. If I go, I will make my own money. I said, no, I'm not in a hurry. There are processes in Germany for you to start working and making money. I don't want to live here and go and get married. So what she does now, anytime she's talking, is her money. She's always putting in front that if I don't give her that money, I will not have peace. If I don't give her the money she gave to me, my enemy, not me, I wouldn't say me, will not have peace. So it has been traumatizing for years. And my children I left there, that's another one. Sometimes she will just chase them away from the house. Then I have to call people to help me carry them. They will stay with them for some time. Then later they bring them back. They've mixed my children up with so many people they are not even supposed to stay with. You understand? Sometimes my dad will not be around. Before he comes, she has chased them away from the house. You don't have little arguments with your mom and say, okay, no, mama, please let them be going to church. The next thing she will say, I don't have any right to tell her what to do. This is her house. Am I the one that want to come and stay here? So Rosenoge, the thing I don't know. It's heartbreaking. Then let me just tell you one. My younger brother had to run. He's in the UK as we speak. He ran away from the house, like through the back. No, my husband is already paying. He's already paying. No, someone said my husband should pay. He's already paying. The money is not really much again. But you should understand that I'm not working now. He's the one paying every bill in the house. Apart from all those, their small government money. He's already paying. I did not come to ask for contribution. No, he's already paying some. I don't know how much left. It's not really much. Maybe about 1 point something that is left. But he's already paying.
AJ,
Yeah.
that woman is your biological mother.
That's what I don't know. Because I've not seen my picture, like, those baby picture in the house. I saw my sister's and I saw my brother's own. But me, I've never seen my own. I've never seen. Like this new year now. This new year, she has not spoken to me. If you just call her sometimes, Mama, Mingo, she will not answer you. Even when I was in Nigeria, just looking at her face, there's this bitterness. This is someone that you and her will be in the house. You will sleep. The next day when you wake up, you will greet her. She will not answer you. I buy stuff. She refuses to eat anything I buy.
You have to call your dad to order and tell your dad to tell you the truth.
I have asked him. He was just laughing. What am I saying?
You never see. No. Your dad don't see you say you get soft heart. You understand?
Yeah.
You go Nigeria, for example, if na rubber gun you carry face your dad, may tell you your own biological mother. Even say bullet not dey inside. Say you serious one day like you just one kind just wey go scare am. Pull heart for head. Carry small rubber gun put for pocket. Tell am say like this, say you just come today, not be for joke. Tell am say it's either you tell your mother today, or may you explain the reason why Do not get small picky picture for the rest of your sister home.
Yeah, I
When
don't.
you're home,
Yeah, I
like
don't see
when
that.
they born you camera not there, and when they born the rest camera day, like you get what you do not be say you yell there, you say, Papa, 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 are you sure that this woman is the one that came? You're gonna laugh.
Yeah,
Gonna laugh.
yeah.
Some of you are not I don't understand you now. As I come there, I don't know my dad. My mom go hear me for my hand. My mom go hear me. Stronger, better me. Ah, good. Show me my dad. Come. Or my dad not show me my mom. My dad go hear me. Stop smiling with him because how can a mother lay a curse on you? If my mama borrow me money that time for Nigeria, she not dey tell me again. She go let tell me say, you say you want borrow money and then you no pay. Okay, oh, finish. If even wife sef no dey drag, wife no dey sort person like that. Maybe husband go borrow money from wife now. Tolerance of mama. So your father need to tell you before your father go kpai. If not, don't be surprised if your father kpai. They'll come tell you say not be that man even born you.
No, I look like him. No, I look like him.
No,
Facially. Yeah.
the people tell you say not be that woman so born
Yes,
you.
yes.
As at that time, it will come dey difficult for you. May not cause be like other people when they come here, they thought they need their mama. Because I believe now that you are of age, like you should be 40 now or you're
Yeah.
40.
Yeah.
So don't stop laughing when you are asking your father that kind of a question. Stop laughing. Tell him, are you sure this woman is my mother? Okay, why is she maltreating me? Why is she laying curse on me? Because I never see mother wey borrow pikin money. At the end of the day, you not pay back. Your biological mother will pray for you and tell you that may you relax first, even if you never get the money, even if you dey remember, say go tell you say chowea. You get why you go even remember rich. You go tell you say dash you. Is it not? You my pikin na I beg jare, you don't reach that. So they pray for you. But in this your case right now, you have to do a DNA first. You have to threaten your dad with a rubber gun. And for some you use real one, oh, and make you not come mistakenly go blow him off. So rubber, you go your be like a real one. Drag that come out, let's say you shoot her for leg. Say you not joke. Say or you by yourself. The moment you carry her near your face, where your head, you see the man will begin to confess. Not be joke. Some of our parents need that in your hand. As you explain your whole sis, people dey wagon because if you not put seriousness, if you go there go use anger, tell her no go still tell am. You need to threaten her with something big. You should be wagon. You not hear when the talk say if papa dey laugh put. That one has told you that they laugh put. Mama dey swear for pikin. Say may pikin may bring money come for her. You not be saying no go ever get peace. Mama wey born pikin. Threaten your father with a rubber gun. I mean give him the advice. Tell am say you want know your mother. If you can't tell you say this one your real mother, tell am say you need more evidence. Tell am say you need more evidence. And they see people they talk say it's not normal to, but it is normal for a mother to tell her own daughter that she will never prosper in life. You know say me, and they talk about sometimes you not go expect make I talk with you go sweet you for favoritism. No, I will say the way the matter is. This is a very sensitive issue. Now that the two of them are alive, imagine if the woman come, if this girl go with the father, the mother of this girl go dey tell her say, hey,
Yeah, she'll be telling me that it's like I
hey,
want to marry my dad. I should be his fourth wife. That I should stop
hey,
going to him.
you
That
want to
maybe
manage that?
that I'm jealous of both
Hey,
of them.
Papa give her juju make her take buy her.
I'm jealous of their marriage.
Now they think fast now. So if there's no other way you can do it, but the next time you go to Nigeria, try to threaten your father, try to be serious, try to let him know that you have age. You do not even deserve all the insults. Let's assume say this woman really born you. That thing go work for your body, oh, if you're
Yes.
not prayerful.
Yes. Yeah.
Except say not be that woman really born you, oh.
Like my
But you
younger
know that
sister now
woman
is not
born you.
married. She's putting the fault of my younger sister on me. That I used rope to tie her, that I'm the one bewitching her. Now my younger sister, she has made sure my sister doesn't talk to me. And then my brother who ran away from the house to UK 3-4 years now, we are not talking. She made that one also run away from the house.
If it be say all those ones when they see their picture when they're small, that she born on those
Yeah,
ones.
she carried them in the pictures that I saw.
And where is your own picture? Where is your own?
No, I didn't see. I didn't see.
See my some of my family thought saying that you say. If this girl not take and follow this thing, this platform is a platform of awareness. That's why they know your mama.
Yes.
If you come finally get and say that woman really born you, then deassociate yourself from her. Just know that she's an evil mother to you. Just know that something happened when you were born
Yeah.
that's making her pour her aggressiveness on you. I swear. You have to sit your dad down and really ask your dad if he is the biological mother of you. Because people they talk about DNA, that DNA go hard. Because the DNA is not going to be done through the father, it is going to be done through the mother.
And she has toothbrush now. You can do through her toothbrush.
Mm.
Yeah, or maybe a strand of her hair or something. If you by mistake you run into it. Because this thing you're saying, you're not the first person telling me that maybe she's not my mom.
Not maybe. She's not your mother.
So when they hear those voice recording, those things
She's
should
not
say
your
to me.
mother. I want to play all those voice recording now. If you can do that by a brush, then it's fine. Take it quietly and go and do it.
Yeah.
Even if you're not threatening your father again, say make not going to carry out attack according to some of them.
Yeah.
Okay,
He's
that
in,
is okay.
he's
I
in his early
understand that.
middle 60s. So
Don't do that to him, so he will not have an heart attack. So in that way, you can just take your mom's brush,
yeah.
yourself a clean mother, take the brush, or use her hair, or just use anything. Your toothbrush or a hairbrush can do it. I don't know that they use hairbrush, but toothbrush, yes. Use the toothbrush to do it so that you will be confirmed that this is your mother. And if this happens to be your mom, stay away from her. She's a bad mother to you. Now, let me play audio evidence of how your mother was swearing for you. When I listen to it, mama, they do. A lot of people, they pass through all this kind of situation, but they're quiet. Your mama, they maltreat you. Your mama don't want me to become better person for life. You they cover up for your mama. No
And
problem.
Brother Noge, let me tell you something. If not for this man that I'm married here, it's understandable. I would have left this marriage again.
Because of her.
Yes, because she has pushed this man. So the man, sometimes when this thing happens, I pour my aggression on him. He's not happy. He comes from work and he sees me shouting or crying. There is no week that she will not call. Is that because of biscuit, Capri Sun? Then the next thing she will turn it to insult. Things that are not even expensive that you can easily buy for the children that are there. You know. So I would have left. If not because of maybe he's also patient with me.
After I don't play audio finish, people will come up to.
And you can do the last set, as in the last 4.
Wait, may I play audio? I'm not listening.
Shut up your mouth, shut up your big mouth, idiot. Your smelling mouth, you not get anything to say. Your hands don't open, don't defend yourself. All the tests you are testing, I will test them to you. I'm going to test everything to you so that your eye go clear. And your pikin just say water. God and I go spoil all of you now. The load when God go carry put for your head, you fit carry am down. I'm telling you, you dey spoil you your mother and the craze. What do you want to do? What do you want to do now? Now the wish when you buy so. Now because of me you buy the wish. You now confessing. You go confess so soon. You no go know peace. Hey, they find your papa attention aside. Not be my husband. Not be you. I not born you. I tell you. I say I be they marry you for cover. No. The women when married, so you feel the jealousy, then I mean call the jealous. Not be my wetin dey attention so that I defend I shift attention.
Things they happen
Not
for
to
life.
wetin concern you concern me and my husband. I tell you before, say you dey jealous me. You dey jealous me. Motor when he buy for me, I say you lie. Now God save you for the motor for kill you for what?
I bet before we play the mama voice note finish, somebody say she get 3 kids for house and he can't reach here, he can't be born. No, man, not born. Man, we carry and call Europe.
But you tell me not to give birth for him. You want him to feel bad? You don't know, no.
No, man, we born. He tell the man for Nigeria say get 3 kids. The man say no problem. He leave the children for us. He come here now. He may not born for the man. Okay. Some of una way they write all those things not be my fans. Una you're there here for Tafia. Because my fans cannot write that kind of nonsense.
Grammar school. Then you know say God, they fight for me. You carry all your children with your children, they take the motor, they make a go. Wetin your hand with your head don't go feel rich. Tire motor you don't buy. Tire motor you don't buy, idiot. The children papa they pay school fees, you go they lie, say now they do this one, now they do this one. So what you go use big woman, go they collect bed that select. Bed that select, when they say you they buy, you they do this. Who want praise you? Who want praise you? Not be your own children. Bastard, not be your children. Not be your children, as I tell you so. Not be your children, your hands don't open. God don't disgrace you. But the lady they come there, you know what they can see and that time. That's why you can't go back now. You that they drink together, they shop together. They spoil me for say 3.2 million. 3.2 million for how? The money when we say that they hold me when I 6 million. When we say God go scatter all our money, now we gather one join together for that place one a day. So when you scatter since 2020, now they pay 6 million till today, never pay 6 million. You never see pay 6 million. Without me, you not go buy motor.
Mama.
Without me, I say you go yonder, you're gonna come play me 6 million of 419. Now God save me. If not that money, I'm not free to pay you. The money now they scatter my money, so God go scatter all my money. Now so God go scatter your own money, now go home 1 for 100 and hold 2 for her. As I talk,
Shebi, if I call they beat this kind of woman tomorrow, people will call the talk say, hey, no gay, what are you doing? You not love the woman pass the pikin. Shebi not they see evil mother.
So, no, you know.
I beg, agent did not cry. They only cry from my platform.
I'm sorry.
We dey forbid tears for this platform. Not to cry, oh, because tomorrow if you go do DNA test, the conference will not be your mama. So first save your tears. If you're gonna beat this kind of woman tomorrow now, you're just people they come and not gay. Why you do like this? Now your mama, yeah, I get lucky of good mother. Not be joke. And I know say few people there here too. We say get the same lucky of a good mother like me. But you see evil mothers. Say my mama na evil. Let me go the saga my mama for year back to back. If I get this kind of mama, go the disgrace her. If I get this kind of mama like this, so where go swear for me, say money go, I go just scatter my mama. You have your bunny back to back. Mama will do like this, go fit stand for picking. No, a mother like this cannot stand. A mother like this cannot even stand for her own children in Europe. She's a self-centered mother. AG baby. Imagine I say maybe we gonna let this girl come back with all these things with mama doing. The mother come and they cry. People they tell say, no gay, why you doing this? Oh, why you doing this? Do you love the mother more than the child? Like, see mama now. See mama they swear. See, a lot of our people did this table. A lot of girls, they don't frustrate, some don't back come up for this life. They don't fit tell us what their mama do they. Some they don't fit talk what their mama do they. But if they don't back, you can see their mama can they cry, they form, say they love the children. But when the children was with them here, they suffered the children. They suffered them. They give them tough time. AG baby. AG baby.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay.
I heard you.
I told you to send me her pictures. Send me your mother's picture.
Let me try and look because I deleted so many of her pictures from my phone because I don't
Just
want to see her picture.
tell me.
I'll
When they
just
send her, don't give her. Now maybe you no gay, madam. I don't dey fear anything for this life. The only person wey dey fear na Baba God will create me come this life. Evil mother will be dealt with. Every evil mother in your life, every evil father in your life will be exposed this year 2026. Not be the other one I call the turn that day for Belgium. After they get on suffer. The mother get mad be lady president of 4 meetings. 4 meetings. At the end of the day, what happened? What happened? Enough he give the pikin house when they built since 2016. Evil mother. If you they pass through what AG baby, they pass through so. Not cover for your papa, oh. Not cover for your mama, oh. Like one man would sleep with the children for Torino. The girl come reach out to me. Her father started sleeping with her when she was 21. And now she's 40. The papa is virginal. She don't remove 2 belly for a father. They lost their mother at a very tender age. They are 3. Papa don't sleep with 2. Only when Papa don't sleep with for Torino. After AG baby, as he said, this week we went at so story back to back. When I call year story. The man is a Yoruba man. I said this some days ago here. The guy said he's ready to speak. He said that my platform give her awareness. The way people continue to talk that story, he said that make her come some more courage. I go to be that Yoruba man. Oga, if you say you been wish for that Yoruba will you be, I'll tell you so that person give you that wish. For you to get mad. Use your children, take oath. February goes sweet. Hey, today is the end of January. Thank God for that. Let's go back to AG baby. Let's go back to AG baby.
Talk as soon as I go be. I talk as soon as I go be this girl. I come up for the money when they owe me. They owe me 600 and just when I take pay for your pikin when they destroy area so.
Don't tell me you don't get calm down because of the kids that is with her mother. If I post the mother picture, maybe you know if they drive the children they come up for us. You know if they drive the children they come up for us. You know if they drive the children they come up for us. If the woman come back, the children not go leave. Well, they tell me they cover up for evil mothers again. Don't tell me to cover up for evil fathers. Please.
Remove and comot. I don't use them. How they use them? When I use them to calculate the money, make you remove and comot for that 600 and 2,000 naira. The old day, calculate them because I'm using them. Calculate it how much. You go remain maybe 500 and something. Calculate them. Come up for the 600 and something when they hold me so. Make you remove the balance. They hear me? Calculate them. As I tell you so, calculate and come out. The 600 and something when you calculate and come out, make your children come out for this house. Very fast, make they come out.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Your own grandchildren. And they hear. More they feel pity for evil papa, evil mama again. Some of them they feel pity for all these old women will be evil. I pity her. If the teta say your mama na be your person will not make you better, expose them.
3.2 million when you kill your head. You get 3.2 million. You even get 1 million, I tell you. When you say send 3.3 million for me. Now they ask you so. What you say for my body? They square me up and down. You go waka miss. Let me tell you, me, you go waka miss. The bad wish where you get to destroy so destruction. Make una dey judge una head under. Make una you dey spoil your head. They give. I don't know who you say you are in there. When my head go worry all of una. When you do finish now, go they judge, they gossip. You go see am. If na maybe una problem so una go see with una see say if they pay una not pay the money before. Money when they scatter so when God go scatter, una not go 1 naira gather, una 2 naira gather so. I said the pay person now cash now give una cash. Since when they born me now they pay the money, they never pay and you go like give mama boss so you don't pay the money finish. Whereas the money see deal. The money see deal. You open your mouth say the money not be there, the money that they finish so. You not go pay before. Shameful idiots. You not go pay the money before. You not go pay. You go see am. Start talking so you can say you go do. You not go no peace because of me. Go call soldier come they call remove me come out here. Go call me come because now my life now they pay you. As my life they pay you so you go see am. Let me tell you. Man say they follow me they talk. If not to me, not be Nigeria for they make a shower the water. A shower for phone. Not be nightclub they go for Abuja. If not to me,
AG, look for your mother's picture for me. Find her for me.
the see man say they talk to me so. The man when marry you so, he carry you come up for the Nigeria. I for leave you for this country. But the money, if you not pay, you not go no peace. I read all the old money, I documented all of them. The things are not how they spend the money when they thief, they join. Only. When they thief, they join, they do. I write all of them down. All the money when I spend for I write all of them down. Now they tell you so. Who don't know you? You see, as you did that, so you don't carry disease. As they tell you so. You know yourself. They do for you to take off your children. They turn the whole thing around.
Robo Wado. When I was growing up, I stayed in the midst of Robo people. Robo people are one of the most caring people in the world, even children who they're not born. See, this woman not be your mama or no verse. AG. This woman not be your mama.
Around. Say, I'm not sabi take off your children and they take them bad words. And now you you did that they talk, they curse me for their present. They ridicule me for their present. They do nonsense for their present. How you say they'll grow? Because you feel say that now you feel say I'm not they do anything. Because you say I be small picking. I have money.
As I dey play this audio now, a lot of people they write me saying I saw their papa be, I saw their mama be. So if not be this lady now, we constantly come now, come talk. Now so now for quiet. Why be say if the thing don't they resemble what happen for now before now they talk? Are you people scared of social media? I am here for you all. That is why I am the voice of the voiceless. We don't take side here. I don't want to even hear from the mother side. Hey,
I have more money. Don't lie. Say 3 point something. God will punish you with your lie. You go die. Your lie, you go see.
Jesus. Mama, they tell Pikin say go there. Hey.
Yeah, you go confess. Your lie when they lie, so you go see and say 3 points. What? May they clap for you. May they clap for you. I be waiting. Come feel say 3 points waiting. 3 points waiting. May they clap for you. Say this Pikin hey. All of them are lie. Fianyagbe, narcissist. Go and look for another supply now to be giving you information. Go and look for another supply. Now, God don't fail you. God don't fail you for night. Don't fail you for afternoon. Don't fail you for money.
They speak Robo, the job in it. Say Fianyagbe.
Money. In the name of Jesus of Nazareth.
Yeah. fear this kind of mother-in-law. Jesus, if this one fit do this kind thing to a pikin, after the course of the pikin finish, you dey talk in the name of Nazareth. Abi I no hear wey madam. Wait.
Go and look for another supply now to be giving you information. Go and look for another supply. Now, God don't fail you. God don't fail you for night, don't fail you for afternoon, don't fail you for money. In the name of Jesus of Nazareth.
EJ. Ah, God too merciful. God too merciful. EJ.
I don't have anything to do with you. God don't fail you for night, don't fail you for afternoon, don't fail you for money. In the name of Jesus of Nazareth. I don't have anything to do with you. Say document. No, what concerns me? What it concern me with you? So now me, you dey craze. Now me they lead you. Now me they lead you go fire so. See the way you do. 6 to 6 you come out, sit down for house. That's it be. That's be like 90 years old woman. That's it be. Because the sin when it commit so now they fall like put for your head so. The sin when it commit so. The sin who help you when they get so.
Where are those people? Where they tell me say, hey, Nagye, mama na mama, where on a day? I never see una break like this so. Where on a day? When they talk say, mama na mama, where on a day? All those judges on TikTok and Facebook, where are you all? Where on a day? My sister, this one be your mama.
Nine they finish you so. There's nothing to say to talk about you in this world. I say it. You know do abortion the Wakana bastard the one born. As the fuck you get belly finish, you'll come meet your head. If the fuck you got belly finish, you'll come meet your head because you use your hand to destroy yourself. Oko dudu nami saying you go do the house. Now me saying you go to the house.
I swear.
Different people.
Somebody say, and they can go church. They go church there. Don't they miss service? Now they feel the church on.
People now they say you. Now they introduce they give them. No, now they introduce they give them. When they do abortion too, you do finish. Or fuck you get belly finish. You call people like a kaka when we say they dry for inside house here. If I not have bomb bastard full everywhere. If I have a bastard, bomb bastard. Now marriage when they beat you, they won't die. So now marriage, idiot. Now marriage be that. No, you want to say you see the one marriage. I scatter you. I mean they help you.
AG baby.
Yeah, personally.
What did you do to your mother that makes her to have this?
No, I didn't do anything. That's the truth because growing up now, you have some experiences. You know, I never even did that abortion. She's saying that.
Somebody let me now say if I beg, never post the woman picture. I know her very well, and the woman will come and say her own.
Okay. I didn't do anything. When you're growing up, your mother will have some certain things about you. 1, 2, 3. So if she's saying I did abortion, those are suitors who came along my way. I never got married to them. So she's just trying to tell me words that will hurt me, you know, that will get to me. That is what she's trying to do. So anything she's saying, she will tell you something to trigger you. Maybe you will tell her back.
You still get your mom number, without delete her.
I still have it.
I will call her first before any other thing. Because something is not right. Let's not judge this woman from her speech of words, though. Let me be very sincere first and foremost. Whatsoever that will make, I'm not sure say they pikin go provoke mama. Mama come dey swear say make you pikin kpai. That one dey happen. I don't know. So let me not talk, Sham. Maybe get you do, but whatsoever you might have done to her does not like you not give them the mind.
I'm saying I've done nothing to her. what she say, maybe I'm telling, like all these things I came to like say now that look at what she did to me. I will tell one or two people, please help me judge this
God
thing though.
bless you. Hey, Brown Caramel said there is no justification to this. The woman is bitter. I swear to God.
Brother
Now you say
Nugget,
now
let me
your
tell
father
you
na dey scatter
something.
you. You don't turn.
If, for example, now the one she said, like the statement she's making, you're telling people about me, they judge me. These are some of the things I've the pain because I told you like we did not
Don't let
have
the power
friends.
tap, oh, cap, rose. Everywhere is dried. The
I
power
told you
tap
that
is
we did not.
full.
I told you we did not have friends while growing up, so I didn't have who to ever confide in. So it's while I traveled, that is when this part came from her. I started asking people, please, though, do you have a mother who will lay curses on you? You understand? Some of them will call me and say, look at what happened in your house. See what your mom did to your child. And those people, I would call her and say, see what they said. So those are what she's using that I'm judging her around. I'm saying this about her. I'm saying this about her. I'm not a child. Another thing, she wants me to live the way she wants me to live. But I cannot live on her own terms.
How does she want you to live? No
For
vessel.
example, now, she come, okay, see, your husband now that you're in Europe, there are some certain things you will do. And this is an open platform. You will put it in his food so that he will do mumu for you. I say I cannot do that kind of thing. I can't do it. How will
The
he
reason
do?
why the reason why I'm still feeling pity for you is one thing that you said that you saw your brothers' pictures when they were growing
Yeah,
up.
yeah,
You did not see yours.
yeah.
So there is maybe an advantage
But look,
of
I want to say something. The person who said she knows her, I would like to bring this person to add to me. The person who is saying knows her very well, so that I will see how far the person knows her. Please, I would love that.
no. I have already told the person that she should climb up. She should
Okay,
not come.
okay, let her climb up. Let me see how the person knows my own. The person
You
who
say na
calls
me dey
herself a
scatter you. They
mother.
no talk say no get direction. Confusion is. You know say no get direction. Peace, no peace for you again. You no know what you dey talk. Your father, you say na your father dey destroy you. E don come me na dey destroy you again. But I fit spend my money for you. Empty hand na you take come. Empty hand na you take waka. Shut up your big mouth. You are frustrated already. You are not even breathing well as I'm seeing you. You are frustrated already. Shut up your big mouth. Shut up.
All these verse notes wey your mama dey send. So which one you consent give your mama? Not vessel. Because I know your mama voice note me dey see for years.
I sent her. No, the voice note had deleted everything, but I forwarded them. I forwarded them somewhere.
Wait, you deleted yours.
So when this thing came up, I told them to send me back.
You deleted your own.
Yes, no, because this thing happened like last year, and I was responding, and I was, out of anger, I was talking to her back that you are a failed mother. All these things you're saying back to you, back to sender. So not like I insulted her with words of mouth. You are a failed mother, back to sender. That's my response I was giving to her. Those are my response.
Okay. Okay, because the day where I ask you,
Shut up, and be ashamed of yourself, please. Back to sender, not be they use your head, they carry one your hands, they open so. Not be the evil load when you don't reach for ground, they backfire you.
But so now, did you hear her saying back to sender just now? Hello,
yes,
please pause. Did you hear her saying back? Because I told you now, this back to sender I was telling her. So you heard her now saying back to sender.
tell me your mom's number now when I did live stream. Just send
Okay,
that
okay.
And they need to backfire you in the name of Jesus. This your mouth when you take now you see disgrace now. See disgrace all over the place. You are a disgrace. Oh, everybody don't know you. Everybody don't know you. Don't know you. Where you want face now? You want for another new supply? May they give you information because that information now you be narcissist. So the narcissist when you be so that information now you not take the work. That information now not take the work. Go backfire you. None of you do make the.
I think I'm overreacting. Thank God that I have never posted a mother's picture. I would be very calm, despite this voice note of her mother. I would like to also hear from the mom here on live stream to know the gravity of what a child might have done before any other thing. For now, thank God I have not posted a mother's picture. Everyone in life reacts in different way. As I start this audio, I just the verse. But along the line, there is no smoke without fire. We have to be sincere to ourselves. That was the reason why I was trying to ask her own voice note, and she said that she have deleted the voice note. So let's hear from the mom. She has given me the mom's number. Okay, let me hear from the mother. Thank God that mother is on WhatsApp. What is your name?
My name is Joy. Joy or Agogo.
Agogo. Okay.
Or Joy, yes.
Joy Agogo.
Yeah.
The phone is ringing. Oh, these are pictures, safe. Yes. Hello.
Who is it?
Hello, mommy. Good afternoon.
Afternoon is it?
I am a friend to Joy. I live here in Germany.
What happened?
No, mama, nothing. No. Joy was just telling me about a misunderstanding that she has with you. I said, okay.
Oh, so what's your name?
My name is Enogi, ma.
Huh?
Enogi.
You know the
Yes.
Austin?
No, mama, not Austin. I'm not Austin, ma.
Okay.
Yes, Enogi. I base in Europe. I base in the same country with your daughter.
Okay, where is the joy now?
Yeah, she's also here with me, and I said I really want to know if there's any way I can, apologize on her behalf, because she has been telling me about you. I said, there is no smoke without fire.
She's there with you.
Yes. AG.
Yes, Onoge.
Mama, they want to confirm if you there here with me.
I dey here.
Mama, she's here.
Is she in church?
No, she's not in church. Oh, no, she's not in church.
Onoge, just go straight and ask her what I did to her.
Wait, now I want to. That's why I'm calling Mama. You wait. I want so I can know how to apologize.
What happened?
No, the children is with her, Mama. The children is with her. Everything is fine. He said that you both have been having some issues and misunderstandings. So I was just trying to
Manipulating me for how? The problem of the whole Wahala, my pikin. For her to understand her father that her father is a narcissist, that she doesn't even want me to have peace with my children. Joy herself will not understand though, my pikin. As I'm telling you.
So
Her father is the problem between me and my daughter. It's her father. I cannot blame her because she cannot understand her father. It's me that understand her. Her father, that is what I always tell her every time. Her father is the problem. Her father will enter her still he is the best father. Whereas her father is a demon. Her father is a vampire.
My father is not a demon. Please.
wait, AG, wait, Mama. Me, Mama, explain her. Mama, she said you borrow her some money and you were swearing for her. I was okay.
I'm not sorry for her. I'm not sorry for her. She's the one that is. She's the one. She's ganging up with her father to destroy my life. I'm not sorry for her.
Okay, Mama, you and the father is no longer together, Mommy.
We are together. We are in the house. They even want me to go out of the house. They want to force me to back out of that compound. But for me, what I've labored for and what I've laid foundation for, I cannot live for because of anybody, my pikin.
That is true, man. That is true, man.
I'm suffering because of the I'm suffering because of them. They did not know. They did not know that because of them that I'm there. If I should live there, they will not step their leg into that compound. You hear me, so my
Yes, Mama, they hear you, Mama.
I don't know what I did to her. I don't know what I did to her that they are chopping me like this on my pikin.
So all this time that Joy have been telling me that you have been swearing for her. So not Joy, why were you not like to me that Mama was swearing for you? You see?
I'm not sorry for her. I'm not sorry for her. It's the swear that her father is holding, no. I'm not sorry for her. As I'm telling you, I'm not sorry for her. It's what she did. It's what she did. She has to confess on what she did to me. Because to see Joy there, she has been spoiling my name, posting me all over the place. When Joy gets here, she will judge me. When Joy gets here, she will judge me to people. I'm not like that. What she's expecting me. Because of our father now that our father has already manipulated her mind towards me now. And spoiled her mind. She will be gossiping me with her father. She will be spoiling me, gossiping me. Her father will be spoiling me for her.
She said you borrowed her. She said you borrowed her 6 million naira, and she was unable to pay back because she was pregnant, and you were telling her that she's going to die, she's going to die, this, that. I was like, okay, but
she has been I borrow her 6 that they played me for one night to borrow her 6 million. They don't want to pay my money. I did not even swear for her. As promised, they don't even used to pay me the money because I was tired as a mother. It's true that I even help her to be in that Europe. It's true that I help her to be in that Europe, as I'm telling you here now. I bet she's not telling you that all.
yeah, Mama, she told me. So all those times that Joy was AG, you know that Mama was not swearing for you. Okay, Mommy, we were asking her for the money. We were not swearing for her.
Yeah, so I said the money I borrow you people. You promise that you will be paying. You are not paying. How much is the money? I borrow them the money since 2021. They have not even it's not even quite too long. Like this day money that I also paid $500,000 a day. If I don't remember, they will not pay. If I don't remember, they don't even used to pay anything. I'm not benefiting anything from how I became. I'm still here. They are frustrating me. It's God that is helping me as I'm telling you here now.
Mama, the Lord is your strength, Mama. She also tell me, because I am just like an advocate here in Germany. Sometimes she also tells me that when you are angry, you tell the children, which is her daughter, to leave the house, that she should come and take them, that she's not interested.
Is she that is copying the Wahala? They will be gossiping all over that after they have lied to her. She will believe the lie that this is what I said. I said, I'm not the one struggling with your children here. I'm not the one begging you here, this girl. You believe in people's matter against your mother. Yeah, it's Mama said this, Mama said this. You know that you will tell your children that they should pack out of the house. You see, it's not me that is telling the children to pack out. It's sure because something her father manipulated her. And everything that is going on with my son, it's her father that brought the whole plan. It's her father that brought the whole plan, my pikin. It's not sure. She is there. Her father will be calling her that I'm suffering her children, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Because he says her father that how can she not believe her father? Her father will be planning evil because of me. She will be hearing. She will
Mama, what kind of evil is her father planning? Can you just tell me?
The father is not a good somebody.
Okay.
So looking at the father, you'll be thinking that he's a good man. He's not a good man. There is marks in her face. It's his face.
Oh.
His father is a kind of two-faced kind of human being. When he see you, two-faced kind of human being. When he see you, you will be if there's something, Joe will not be in that Germany. The father no head.
The father of Joy is like, when you see him, you think this man is a nice person, but when you are not closer to him more, you will not see him that he's an evil person.
Yes. This was a narcissist. His father is a big narcissist.
Oh, Mama even know was narcissist. Okay.
What do I say? As I'm here now, I know what is a narcissist now.
Oh,
I'm thinking that those people that are manipulated with that fighting. Anything you say, they will turn it against you. They will carry it against you, you know?
Yeah.
It's a narcissist. Narcissists, they favor stranger than their own person.
Yes.
Narcissists, they don't want to.
They behave as a good person, and at the end of the day, they are evil when you are with them one on one.
Narcissists, I can see narcissists, they don't even want their own children to be a good somebody. They don't
Because
want their own children.
she was crying to me today. She has been crying to me that, are you sure this is really my mother? I said, because she sent me some voice notes when you were insulting her, when she was also insulting you, and I also listened to some voice notes.
Yeah, it's our father that manipulated. Our father, they have many wives.
Oh,
So
her father
don't want me and my
manipulated
children
you.
to-
Now I understand.
Yes, our father has many wives, so he doesn't want me and my children to be one. He wants to scatter me and my children.
Hey, Baba. Okay, Joy, what do you have to say now? Mommy is still online.
What's okay? I don't have much to say. The thing is that she has used so many hurtful words against me.
What? I'm coming. Hello.
Even
Hello.
when I come to Nigeria, she used to fight me.
Stop calling me.
Mommy, the purpose was
Stop calling me. Is it you want to come into us to insult me again? Or
no. The purpose is, mommy, if I can be able to settle the both of you, I'll be happy. Because the insult you were pouring on her, I know.
Okay, what is the purpose of calling? What did I? All what she's telling me, all what she told me. Did I put that? It's in my mind here. It's what I will say. It's what did I? It's what I will. It's what I tell her that you wish her finger. That is what our father is campaigning on. If my father manipulated me and her together finish, our father will pledge.
Mama,
Be hearing what I said.
Mama, the truth of the issue.
I said that they will use to hold her.
Mama, the truth of the issue is that if her father is the one manipulating you, then you will face the father. Because I know you are the mother of this girl, and whatsoever you tell her might manifest in her life.
A narcissist, you are saying there. A narcissist, I cannot. There is no way. You have to. A narcissist. Is silent that is finishing them. You can. I cannot. You know. There's one day he came to my house. I told him right, clear and clear that it's true that is causing wahala between me and my daughter. I've told you that you used to beware for me and my daughter. It doesn't confess me. It's me that gave birth to this girl. I gave birth to her. I've helped her as a daughter. You as a father, you are not helping matters. You are doing that, you are helping, but a narcissist, anything you do for you, you must pay for it. You are now that the guy is facing me. Now that the guy is facing me, and she and my daughter, they are best of friends now. Because it's what she's doing me, as to make her father to do what he's doing for her. If the father cannot control her, there's no way the man can be covered to my daughter. So the man, he has
Mama, please, Mama, I want to beg you today, please, whatsoever anger you might have for your child, Mama, please, be very careful of what you tell your child when you are angry, so it will not manifest in her life. You understand? I really.
As a mother, your own mother will be gossiping your mother. Can you gossip your mother?
Mama, even if I gossip my mother cannot tell me harsh words. Even if my mother is angry with me, my mother will.
Do you know what this guy is doing to me?
No, Mama, tell me. I want to know. That is why I called you today. Mama, tell me what she's doing to you, so that I can tell her that
She don't have respect from you. She can tell me, she can curse me anytime, anyone she want to do. A mother that stood by you, even though there is something that is manipulating you, can you not have your own sense to control yourself?
That is true. Why would she?
Now that she's doing what she's doing to me, so now that she's doing what she's doing, so her father is very happy. It's not that the father know that they have the daughter in Germany.
AG baby, Joy.
Yes, I know you. Yes.
Mama said that you are insulting her. Why would you do that to your mom?
I don't insult her.
Seriously, I'm telling you. Okay, now, you said she said some verse me. You don't see the tune of her mouth. Oh, you don't see the tune of her mouth.
I could not get her own voice note, but I got yours.
She's deleting everything now.
I didn't delete it. I was telling you back to sender that you are a failed mother. I was telling you that I'm not a witch. You called me I'm a bastard. I said I'm not a bastard. I was telling you back to sender. There were no words. You were telling me bastard, I'm a bastard. And I said if I'm a bastard, then you as my mother, you are also a bastard. So there were no words. There were no words of insult that I insulted you. No, they weren't.
I will send it to you.
Okay, Mommy, send it to
I will
me.
send some of her own to you.
Yes, Mommy, send it to
I will
me.
send some of her own to you, my pikin.
Mommy, yes. Maybe you,
Some of
ma.
her own, I will send it to you.
Okay, Mommy, send it to
Some
me.
of her own, I will send it to you.
Send it to
I will
me, ma.
send some of her own. They are still in my phone yet. I will send some of the insulting words to you. She will not delete everything.
Send it to me, Mama. Okay, please. Let's say I can be able to make
She
peace
thought
between.
that she's very clever. She thought that she's very clever. After much, she will delete all what she said. Then it's your own that she will use to own her.
So.
It's your own that she will use to own her.
Okay. Mama, I will be glad if you can send me few of the ones that she sent to you. I'll be very glad. Thank you, Mama.
Very saucy, very saucy.
No,
No
no, no,
respect,
no.
because
I
the
will.
father will be clapping for her. That yes, because after the father might have set this confusion, our father will page for, we just sit down and be looking the looking the record between me and her. It's a nonsense, a convent nonsense. Even the judge did not know the character of the father. It's me that know the character of the father. He didn't know. She did not know the character of the father. She will be making and face for her, spending money for her. And that small money is not even big money even. Then I come out together, carry my grandchildren from me. So his wife played. This guy agree. Everything they brought is the children. The father not be telling the children that you should not come near me. That I'm a wish. Even judge is even calling me wish even. Uncle of judge, they say I'm a wish.
Okay, mommy, it's okay, mama. Is there any way we can be able to make peace between you and your child so you people can have that motherly love
It's
again?
my daughter now. It's not my daughter.
Yes.
Don't make peace with her. It's my daughter, so I will make peace with her so that they can be ashamed.
Thank you, mama. Thank you, mama.
Because the father now, she's putting here that the father is listening now, whether I can able to settle with my daughter. Even when I settle with my daughter, the father now told Joy that he's surprised that is my own daughter settled with me. Don't you see, father? Yeah, that he's surprised that my daughter settled with me. Since she's there.
Thank you, mama. Thank you so much. Mama, please, what I would like
My
you to...
daughter.
Joy, I do not want mama to send me your voice note again. All I want now is
She
that...
can send it to Brosinegi. She can send it.
No, I do not want her to send it. If I tell her to do that...
You have deleted everything.
Mama, don't worry.
How can I delete something from your own phone? I'm not in your phone. You provoked me. You sent
very
copies and you were
possible-
sorry for me. I should
Lady,
keep quiet and just
yes,
watch.
yes.
I'm not a dummy. I'm a human being. Those curses that she caused me, she must reverse all the curses. Because now she told you that she never sweat for me. She said she did not sweat for me.
Joy, wait. Joy, respect.
She don't even take me like a mother.
Joy, respect me. Calm down.
The sweetest of mother is not.
Mommy.
The sweetest of mother is not with her again.
Mommy.
The sweetest of mother is not her.
Mommy.
The love of a mother is not her because
Mommy.
they have finished me for her.
Mommy, don't worry. Okay? I am like very dark man here in Europe. I do not like intimidation. I do not like oppression. This is just my work.
So because the home is a polygamous home, I should not talk to my father. Is it not my father?
Of course, you have every right to talk to your father, but I do not want you and your mom.
Why you want to talk to your father? Is it your mother that you used to settle for your mother?
No.
But then you think I'm talking about you. I never spoke about you.
But
You
he
should
said
remove
that-
those curses and pray back for me. The curses that too much.
He said, your mom is telling us now that she and your father lives in the same house. So, you see?
He said us. Just somebody like that. The father should go and bring down me and everybody to cut me out of the compound because his father is a quiet man. I think your father is a dangerous
No, not
person.
the same house, the same compound, but different apartments.
Your father is a killer. He's a killer. I can take the father face to
She
face.
hates my father so much. You see now, how is he a killer?
Your father does not want my happiness. He doesn't want my happiness. Your father did not help you to abroad. It's me that helped you. I helped you to abroad. Your father is alive before we decide to go to abroad. Your father dead. Everything now. Your father is claiming it. You want to claim what is not so.
Mama, please. All I want right now is for you people to settle and for you to reverse all the curses you have imposed on your daughter. That is me in why I am calling to apologize to you on her behalf and for you to return all the curses that I have heard.
I will just be sitting down because you might be.
No, like what you said out of what you said out of what you said.
If I'm sick now, they will be thinking that it's what I did. It's what I did that is making me to sick. That I must confess. That is what Joy went to tell somebody. That is what I did. The bad character. The wish that I have is what is making me to sick. Your mother is sick. Your mother is not well. Your mother has issues and many mates, many competition. You thought that what your father is telling you now is the truth. That's how come. The day we understand our father. If I thought my God, my kudin, my son. If God is helping me, I could have been a dead person by now. Then if my enemy should die, the truth will come outside. It's time to come. Then you will cry that hey, I did not know that this is life. Abi,
Yes,
my son.
that's true, Mama. That's true.
There are things like that now. There are things like that.
Okay, mommy.
There are things like that.
Joy.
Yeah. Yes.
What I saw here, now you're to English. Looking I see for here, if your mom and dad get issue, it is not your business.
No, I don't pull mouth. I've not been there since years
Wait
now.
I've
not been in Nigeria.
Your dad to settle with your mom. Don't use your mom to settle with your dad.
I don't do that. Ask her if I used to use any of them to settle. I don't.
You're gossiping me. She will be gossiping me with your own father. Is that not that
See me really gossiping. You know these elderly people are there.
These are not at all, my son. Listen,
Yes.
These are not at all. Our father will cross from his apartment to my home. They will be gossiping me. Our father will be manipulating it to her. And she'll be listening. She will be gossiping on that. Is that a cause? Is that not a cause?
Hey.
People that did not come for her. Is that a cause? Is that not a cause, my son?
It's a cause, Mama.
It's not a cause.
It's a cause, Mama. But
You'll be
please,
gossiping me with your own father. Your own mother that gave birth to you.
Mama,
Is
please.
that a cause?
Mama is a cause.
I did not even say any word to her, even cause. Is that not a cause? I see her that she'll be gossiping all over the place. I don't know what I did to her. My son. Where he reached. One driver will be gossiping with her. I have this foot with you. I would have settled on this foot so just now. It's not like that. Because his father is backing her. Because his father is giving her mind. His father, I don't know what his father has promised her. I don't know what his father has promised her. It's a fake somebody. His father is a fake. What's somebody?
Mama, it's okay. I know that the father is fake. As far as you already have children for that man, it's okay, Mama. All I want from you is to settle the dispute you have with your daughter. And Joy.
Your daughter wants to travel out. You're not giving your daughter a condition. He's not a narcissist. A narcissist cannot do anything for you free. They do something for you for something. This guy will not even understand their father. You want his father? Is it now you have father? When you want to travel abroad, will you not have father there? The father no head. The father wants a local government chairman for 2 tenure. Nothing he cannot even able to help them to put them she is there now. How many political people they put all their children, their daughter in a position in Nigeria here? What did your father do to you? The second daughter, the second one. Never read oil and gas master in London. No way, my sons are talking to you here now. My first son is working with the father frustrated the son. The son paved his way to London. Is that what did John want to tell me? What does she want to tell me now?
Mommy, please, I want to beg. Whatsoever you have towards your daughter, Joy. Mommy, please forgive her. Joy, see.
My daughter is quarreling. Your father said that he's surprised that we have come together. Is that not a witchcraft? Is that only that one step? Is it not a wish?
Joy.
Is not a wizard?
Joy.
Brosinoge, yes.
Apologize to Mama.
Brosinoge, see, to apologize is not a problem. Oh. I'm sorry if I've offended you in a way that I did not understand, and maybe it hurt you. I'm sorry.
It's what I'm telling the advocate in your place now. The gossip that you are gossiping with your father and your father.
I did not gossip with him. See, Brosinoge, I will go to my dad, Then she will think it's her I went to talk about. No.
Do you think that your father is a better person?
Calm down.
You are listening to him gossiping me with your father. Is that not a cause?
All I want is see, Joy, all I want from you now is that your father and your mother, these are the blessings God has given to you on this planet. If your father and your mother have any issue, it's not your business. If you have with your father is bringing your mommy's issue to you, tell your father that you are not interested. If you are with your mother, she's listening to me now, and she wants to bring your father issue to you, tell your mother that you are not interested too. Try and just be on your own to know the difference between, because you know all these elderly people, how they do their thing. You know if you think the way that they think. Our own issue not fit the different. Like, oh, maybe the papa want carry my pikin from my hand, or make it come spoil me to my pikin. You understand? So just be neutral.
If they gossip me, as they gossip enemy.
Nah, it's bad.
The father go come. Because now, he's putting little here down for the father.
Mama.
The father got friend because of me.
Mama, she has already apologized to you. Please, mommy. I want to beg on her behalf. Please forgive her. And you on your other side as the mother, whatsoever insult you have given to your child, knowingly and unknowingly because of anger, please, mama, I would also like you to return them. Even if you don't want to return them now, you can return them on your own as the mother. You are the mother of joy. Nobody is dragging that from you. Please, mama, I want you and your daughter to have this love for each other. This, like, how am I going to put it? A bond. I want you people to have a bond. Understand? So that people can live as mother and daughter. Please, ma'am. Okay? Please.
It's what they don't want me to. They don't want me to have peace with my children now.
You will have peace,
They don't
mama.
want me to have peace with them.
You will have peace. You will have peace, mama. You will have peace.
Imagine. They don't want me to have peace with them on my pikin.
You will have
That is what is going on, though.
You will have peace, mama.
You
Okay?
know so?
Yes.
The children, they imagine. You know nothing. They are so jealous. They are jealous. They don't want any good thing. They don't want any good thing around you.
You will have peace, mama. Okay? Don't worry.
That's
You
my
will have
pikin.
peace. Okay? Okay, mama.
Thank you, my pikin. Thank you.
All right,
I
mama.
appreciate you so much.
Thank you,
God
mama.
bless you. God
Thank
bless
you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All
This is
right.
your number, Abi?
Yes, mama. This is my number.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, mama.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Joy. Wetin me just for here? May I tell you the truth? Wetin me just for here? You, as the Joy self, you on your own. Whatsoever you know, you said you tell your mother before when they make am vex, stop am. It is very painful for a child to challenge a mother or a father, or his father or his mother. It's very painful. Though the woman was trying to cover up, I know.
Rosanego, please, can I say something? I'm sorry.
You say something.
My mom is jealous of me and my father's relationship. That is just it.
Yes.
I've
Then
done
now-
nothing to
then
her.
now, try as
You would
much
have
as
even
possible.
asked her, what is the gossip that always gossiping about you that you just feel? Because she assumes, once she see you sitting with someone, she
let
will
me
tell you
tell
are
you
gossiping. That
Let me
is
tell you
it.
something. Try as much as possible to be neutral between your father and your mother.
They don't have issues. They don't, but she doesn't like seeing me around him.
No,
She doesn't want to
I
see
think-
me around him.
think
Isn't that
I
my
like
father? Likewise, I'm around her. She doesn't want me to divide. I don't know if it's over possessiveness or anything. I don't know. She doesn't want to see me around this man. She hates this man with every fiber of her blood. She hates my dad. And this man, the reason why she hates my dad, because he married other women. Because he became simply polygamous. And me, I became understanding. I didn't want to take sides. That because at some point she wanted me to be on her side and to be enemy with my dad completely. But you cannot dictate how I will live with my own father. Just the way you want me to be peaceful with you. How can you say my father is the one manipulating you for you to lay curses on me? How is that one possible? You can't say my father. She came now. You allowed her to talk. So many people felt emotional and all that. She's laying curses on you and she just pinned my mouth. I was trying to defend myself. She said I'm causing problem with her and her husband. She said a lot of things. How? Do you understand? She was talking. I was trying to talk back. I wasn't rude to her. I was just trying to defend myself. When she's laying curses like that, I tell her back to sender. Back to sender. It's not me. You have failed me as a mother. Those are things I tell her. I don't know any words of swear that I will swear and use on her because I can't swear. You understand? Excuse me, somebody asked my father, he wanted to sponsor me abroad. But my mother, do you know this father? My father does the step, his wife. I think some of them stay in Germany here. So it was like when I come, they've been here for some years. I will just meet them and they will know that I'm around. They will help me for soft landing. So she now said, if that is what will happen, over her dead body, will I associate with my stepmom's sisters. So she now said, for that reason, she will foot the bill. My dad was 101% ready to bring me here. You know? So it's not, somebody asked, why didn't he bring me here? That's for money. The 6 million she gave to me, I've paid up to 1.8 or 1.7 thereabouts. You understand? She's just jealous of me and my dad's relationship. I was surprised that Brosenogo just started listening to all the... She's calling my dad the narcissist. Who is even the narcissist in this thing? Who is the narcissist? Who is the narcissist? How can now, because my father has a wife, then you expect that me as the eldest, I should fight him. I should carry bottle and be fighting him. That I hate you, father. I hate you for marrying other wives. It's not possible because it's also my father. It's also my father. She wants me to hate him. If people on this platform could read it between the line, you were noticing that she was just bashing this poor man. Everything, she hates everything about my dad. She hates him. At a point, she wanted to take the position of my dad. Because my dad is a cool and quiet man. So many people like him. So she wants to take the position of my dad. The way people love him, at a point, she was saying my dad is using jazz for people to like him. It's just the man's personality. But she doesn't have that kind of personality, and you cannot put yourself in that position. You understand? It's not fair. Brosenogo, you said the word she was telling me. You do not tell her to rebuke those swear. I apologize. I just did that apology because of you, Brosenogo.
Yes,
If not because of you, I would not do it. I know what I've been through. I did not even say quarter of what I've been through. She came now. She's doing pity. And everybody are blaming me now.
No, baby, wait. Do you know why your mother never wanted to agree to? Yes. Yes. Do you know why? Do you know why? Do you know why? Do you know why? Calm down. Do you know why? I am a total stranger to her. Your mother is a wise person. If you see the way she react when I call her, the motherly affection, I felt it in her. Despite that, she might have been so do this to you, that to you. When I call her, she was like, Joy, where are the children? Like, she was still concerned.
And maybe she was scared that maybe you called her that something has happened to me here because she has not heard from me in months.
For she to be scared,
you understand?
Meaning something. For she to be scared, wait a little bit. For she to be scared, meaning she loved you. That's the truth. Hello. Tell me a favor now, send a request now. What will be her name? What will be her name? What will be her name? Favor. Okay. You understand, AG baby? Please, I do not want to call your father. I just want you to settle with your mom.
But he would even be angry if his social media would have been obsessed with me. I just did it because I went to speak out to talk to somebody.
Yes, and for the fact that I did not post her picture. For the fact that I did not post her picture, then it's okay. All I want from you is that, number one, no child in this life have the right to insult their father or their mother, except say you get what mama go do reach there before you go to her. Only thing I want from you be say, try as much as possible to put yourself together. Settle with your mom. If your mom don't love you, as I call her just now, she not care if anything happen. Go say, hey, waiting. She was still concerned. We just started the talk. She never admitted because I was a stranger. She don't know who she dey tell the pikin secret to. She fit get problem with you for his house. May your mama dey pray for you for outside. That's a good mother. So please, Be neutral in anything you do. Try as much as possible not to gossip your mother with your father, not to gossip your father with your mother. Elderly people, they'll be like that. They don't like her. It go be like say you dey love one part the other one, that's one they gossip. Be neutral. Tell them, no, Papa, not tell me, Mama, matter beg. I just come from Europe. I come greet you, Papa. Pray for me. If you still reach where Mama dey, hey, my pikin, your Papa, Mommy, not tell me. You say me I know they gossip my Papa with you. No, you want gossip my Papa with me. Let her know say you dey neutral now. Make them see the changes in you. Not be say Papa go dey tell you say Mama wicked. You go say, hey, Papa, really? They make person vex. Please, okay? So, thank you so much for regarding me, respecting me, and apologizing to her. She will return it. Because if not bad mother, she would confess everything to me. She was still reserved. Me, I not be smart picking. Your mother was still reserved. She was, for where Mama for no to be narcissist, that simply means your mother is a little bit educated. She never wanted to say a lot to me because she was still asking, who are you? Who are you? I was trying to explain myself to her. Even when she explained to me, when she even heard your voice, she was not still convinced. You understand? So please, she's a good mother. Try as much as possible to have equal love for both of them. At least you still have the luck to have the two of them. Me not get one again. My father is late, but I still have one, which is my mom. So you will get opportunity to get the two. Value them. I don't really see what they do here. Apart from say maybe body they prepare about the money and stuff like that. Understand? If not evil more than I mean for the saga and before I call the phone. I know they fear person. But beside that they respect my elders. Understand? Please. Please, okay? Do you still have any other thing to say?
No, I don't. No, I don't, but I'm not getting no.
Just take good care of yourself. I'll call you after the live stream, okay? Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.